The Sequence Executor view is the way of viewing a queue list on Grandame 2. It can be found under Sheets under Sequence Executor. The view will show you the queues from the current selected executor by default. If you cannot see any queues in the list, then you need to select an executor with a sequence on it. There are a number of things you can do to customize this screen. You can rearrange the columns by clicking and dragging on them. You can resize the columns by clicking and dragging the edges of the columns. You can also go into settings by pressing the yellow ball, then display, and here you can change the font size. This should be enough information to get a queue list up on screen and to view all your queues.